Minnie Moo. Patch. Uh-oh, did we get stuck? We did. Huh? Can I have? Can I have? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. What do you think, Min? Huh? What do you think? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. He caught it. Min, you want to try? Say no, Mom. That's his trick. See, that's his trick, Mom. Can I have it? Okay, you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oops. Mom screwed that one up, didn't she? Bring it back here. Patchy. What's out there, Minnie? Huh? A lazy Sunday afternoon. Isn't it? You gonna bring it back over here? Okay, give me that. You ready? Set. 1, 2, 3. Caught it! Good boy. Wanna do it again? 1, 2, 3. Good boy. Ready? 1. Oh, I'm sorry. I dropped it. Slipped out of my hand. You don't care. You caught it, huh? Ready? Good boy. Now where's the dinghy going? Huh? Now what you doing? Do you know? No? Well, I got this out because you're going to doing something with your blanket, Minnie. Patch, go play with Daddy. I said, Daddy. Give me the ball. Hey, give me the ball. 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 Ow. I said, give me the ball. I said, give me the ball. Stinker. Can't hang on to it. Come back here. I'm trying to get it from him.
Starting 9 a.m. Thursday on Discovery.
I better take something.
Take what cold and flu doesn't treat your runny nose.
Seriously?
Cold and cough treat your worst cold symptoms plus your runny nose.
What a relief it is.
Daddy.
I like it when my hygienist lets me know I'm doing a good job. I like it when my therapist lets me know too. That's why I'm my pro.
Pro with Crest Pro helps
Jack.
with intensive clean.
I can really feel this deep cleaning my mouth.
For 4 times better clean, try these products together.
That was a great checkup.
And now today, they have decided
Just look at those two. Happy, in love, and saving so much money on their car insurance by switching to Geico. Well, just look at this setting.
do you have the ring?
Well, an Elspeth Diamonds, another beautiful setting.
Come here, Baba.
You're not crying. I've just got a bit of sand in my eyes.
Baba.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car
No,
insurance.
done.
This is Conley, Cameron, Zach, and Clementine.
We have a serious hairball issue.
We cleaned it up and turned around, and there it is again.
You made a
It's scary.
Baba.
Well, no,
Underneath the kitchen table, underneath my work desk, we've got enough to knit a sweater. What's that? The Swiffer sweater.
Swiffer dusters, some sort of magic cloth that comes in all the dogs.
Quick and easy. Yeah, I picked it all up. I would totally take out another dog.
Really?
Wolves, the tireless hunters of the wild, and the wild ancestors of your dog. They share many traits, like a love for meat.
So Blue Wilderness has more of the chicken, duck, or salmon your dog desires. Try Blue Wilderness because he's wild inside. Experience the Wolf Den and feel
No,
wild come alive exclusively at PetSmart, where you'll find the largest selection of Blue Wilderness. PetSmart, where it really is wild.
Videotape him.
Right now at the Art Institutes, you can earn a grant for up to 20%
Why?
tuition.
He's more
What does
interested
that
in
even
why.
mean? Let's break it down. This is you. Every 12 credits you complete can earn you.
How about you? You want to be in here too?
$600.
This is not really, Mom.
The art grant. So the more credits you complete, the more you save. The more you save, the further you can go.
Okay.
Jackie, you got small bone to chew on.
Yeah, that, what did, oh, it's behind you, what they got left. That's all they got left.
Give me that ball. Give me that ball. It's my ball. This is me, man. Come on, love done. What you stick your tongue at me for? Huh? Yeah, I use all my loving.
I didn't want that.
She's in a playful mood. Oh, you know what? Oh, now you jealous, huh?
Mm-hmm.
The mommy filming us. Is she filming us? Huh? Airing out my feet. Airing out my feet. Airing out my feet.
Come on, Laguna, we took this.
Oh, thanks, man. Excuse me. If my check due comes in, that gift card coming today, I'll go put it straight to Walmart, put on a Walmart gift card.
Mm-hmm. Where'd you go, man?
Get a drink of water.
Oh, okay.
You silly boy. You're so silly. You're too silly too. Yes, you are. What if I give you someone else to play with, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Should I get a companion with my place? You think, huh, Patch? It. Oh yeah, do you guys a bath. Yeah, we do. After supper, we'll give you guys a bath. How about that? You guys want my attention. I want my attention, sweet boy. And sweet man. And Mommy's filming us, huh, Patch? I think she's filming us. Oh, I'm sorry. Julie, come, Minnie, come back over here. So my pants smell good too. Oh, butt buddies. Butt buddies. Butt buddies. Oh, you don't like me, Pat? Uh-oh. He's gonna get the ball. He's gonna get the ball. He's gonna get the ball.
He figured out it was the wrong ball.
Come on. Gimme.
Minnie's gonna go up on the couch. She says she's safer up there. Did you have to hit that thing?
Me too.
Where'd he go now? Here he comes.
I didn't mean to hit that damn thing. I didn't mean it. He's a silly boy. What, Minnie? I love you too. That is funny.
You don't want this. Oh, you almost caught it. You almost had. Let me try that again.
Damn it, give me the ball.
Here she comes down now. Hi, sugar. Oh, ouch. You gave me a shock. Hi. Yes. You want Mama's attention now, huh? Have the ball? Yes. What? Really good, huh? Hold on a minute. Give me the ball a minute. Give me the ball a minute.
Trying so hard to find a stupid movement.
Give me the ball. Ready?
So I went
One,
to the tunnel to get
two,
Jamie Dillon
three.
Walker. When
Oh,
did he
shit. We didn't
go
get it
there?
good. We didn't get it good. No, we didn't. Did we? No. I think he was too close. Can I have that again? What? Oh, she's up here now, so you're going to bug me, huh? Give me the ball. Okay, go give it to
I
JJ.
don't believe it. Going to that tunnel allowed me to go to Davy Jones's
Can I have this? Can I have this? Can I have this? Give me the ball. Give me the... You stinker, give me the ball. Yes, I know. He's being a stinker. Yes, he is. There's our mini girl. Yes, she is. She says, Mom, don't take pictures of movie me no more. I'm not a movie star. Oh, let's see what the boys are doing. See, I got Mommy.
Mommy.
What's she doing?
Where's the dog food?
What's she doing, huh?
Where's the ball at, Pat?
Why are you doing this? What the freezing?
Excuse me.
Come on, I'm freezing. I have to do something. Lisa, she's having problems. What?
What?
You unfreeze your stupid game.
No, I don't want to. Oh,
Can I
boy.
actually do something?
Oh, boy.
My ball. That's my ball. That's my ball.
Uh-oh. Where'd it go, Bat? Oh, there you go. Did he do that mean old trick again, huh?
Come here.
Think, huh? What do you think, huh? What the baby think? Yeah. You guys don't like when you look at my hands. I'm too crazy about the cats are doing either.
Got brand new stuff for free. And blue.
Hey, JJ, what'd you do that for? Oh, he's coming to get you, Patch. He's coming to get you. What did you do, Patch? He took your ball. He took your ball, Patch.
At least he brings back.
Yes, she does it when she plays.
No.
She chases. You gotta go chase her down. Don't you, Minnie? Say, yeah, you gotta come get me. Yes. Pat, where'd you go? Oh.
He was hiding, took a breather.
Okay.
Hey, man.